Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We got Christian. So Christian got into an accident last Tuesday, and he's here to kind of get checked out. There was a couple of things. His low back was really tight, really tight. He said 9 out of 10, right? It was pretty up there, and then he has some upper back and neck and headaches. So we already kind of did an exam. We're gonna do a treatment and then go from there. So Christian, go ahead and go face down for me. And he's a little bit scared. How much this way? First time he's ever gotten treated. So he saw my video and said, I got in an accident, maybe I should go see this crazy doc. So yeah, his hips are out of line. Go ahead and do it again. Raise this leg for me, Christian, as high as you can. Perfect. How about this one? Beautiful. So yeah, so they're both pretty tight. So we don't expect one visit wonder, but it's going to hopefully loosen him up so he doesn't have as much pain. Move down a little bit, Christian, towards your feet for me, bud. Keep coming, and perfect. Deep breath. All the way out. Nice. Oh. Can you breathe now? There you go. Nice. You're gonna sleep like a baby tonight, by the way, Christian. So Christian, you have this side up. You're gonna face me this way. You okay, bud?
Yeah. All right.
And this one. Good. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Relax. Yeah, that was tight, buddy. Face this way for me. Are you recording it too? You ain't double camera, man. Bending the top leg. Deep breath for me. Oh, beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, man, it was just all locked up. Let's go face up.
Face up.
Please. Sorry, buddy. Get squeezed through. You alright, bud?
Yep.
Here we go. Oh. Look at you. They're gonna start going red. Oh my goodness. Man. Oh yeah. I feel better. Look at that. Say bye to those headaches. Nice. Go ahead and go face down for me, Christian. Please. That wasn't bad, right?
Not at all.
Alright, cool. How did it feel?
A lot better.
Yeah. So yeah, next couple days is gonna get better and better until I see you on Thursday again. Look at that. So you remember what we saw in the beginning? Perfectly level. Come up here. Now, how long it lasts is gonna depend, of course, on the accident and everything. But Thursday when we see him, we're gonna check all this again.
Okay.
So yeah, there's one bone, there's the other bone. Go ahead and raise your leg as high as you can. Look, you look. Yeah. 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 How about this one? Nice.
What?
It's not magic, my man.
It went up.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you're in there, you had an accident, you're scared to come in because it might hurt, it's not going to hurt. It's like, if anything, it's going to feel what? It's going to feel better, right, Christian?
Agree.
Yeah, it's going to feel awesome. Your range of motion is going to get more. If your range of motion is decreasing, your pelvic is shifted like that, it's not healthy. It's not going to be good. You're going to have problems later on. You need to come in here. All right, I can't say it enough.